What's happening, YouTube? T-minus 1 week. It's Saturday, June, I can't even think of, 25th. Next Saturday is a 4th of July. Got a little pre-holiday shoot out here in west central Ohio, the open country. The wind has calmed down. The rain has tampered. So we got some goodies here. A little small electronic fired 4Q setup. Start off with this little red rhino, white tiger. Did the bomb shot, all part of the Southern Pride assortment from Texas Outlaw Red Rhino. RPG, little hitter. Got this cake from the American Soul from Magnus, Mag Value. Second Q, Nebraska Pride Rose, talking about the Miracle Snake Eyes. $6.99 in Nebraska. Good little 9-shot triangle cake. The Kapow. Everyone knows I think it's electric jellyfish. Then we're going to have a little demo. Q number 3 is going to fire up 3 death shells. And then we're going to come around and hit the Thunderations. Q4. Side by side. Simultaneously, Mobile Menace. Great Little Brothers cake. And then a finale with Road Trip from World Class. And I'm looking forward to my first clown shoot, Cockeyed, to finish it off. We'll do some random black box shells. And I will hand light this at the beginning, the Miracle Burnout Fountain. So, looking forward to it. Old Pap Spyro out.